Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Starfruit Pearl Cake to unlock the hidden recipe in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, first you need to obtain this recipe, Seashell Pearl Cake. You can unlock it after you complete quest from Massimo. Once you have the recipe, you're going to use your Tidal Stove to cook this food. Okay, and to make the starfruit pearl cake, we're going to replace the fruit with the starfruit. And for the starfruit seed, you can purchase it from Blang's gardening store. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, this is my first time making the starfruit pearl cake. Alright, done. And I'm going to open the recipe. Okay, this is the starfruit pearl cake. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the Starfruit Pearl Cake in Heartopia Call of Wheels event to unlock hidden recipe. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!